पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं उदाहरणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद काण्व शाखीय भाष्य पेज नंबर 324। जाया में स्यात् अथ प्रजायेयम्। So in Bhashya it was given last line अथाहम प्रजायेय प्रजारूपेण अहमेव उत्पद्येय। Jaya is for the sake of praja. When Jaya is there, then I will have karmani adhikara. Karmani adhikruto aham bhavet और अहम भविष्यामि सह कर्मणि अधिकृतो भवेत्। टीका प्रजां प्रति जायाया हेतुत्व द्योतको अथ शब्द। दिस अथाहम प्रजायेय प्रजां प्रति जायाया हेतुत्वम और प्रजा जाया इज द हेतु। सो इन द ओल्डन डेज their sadhya was clear. I want either Swargaloka or Pitraloka. Means those who are kami. Not in this world, at least higher world. Either Swarga or Pitraloka. If I want Swarga or Pitraloka, I have to do Vedic karma only. If I have to do Vedic karma, I have to have Jaya, Patni. So their thinking was in this way. Now thinking has changed. And then if Putra is there, we will see in the next Brahmana. If Putra is there, then after me, he will be in my place. Then he will do all my Vedic karma. And then when I am not there, he will do Shraddha karma. Then I will get Pitraloka. So Pitraloka, Swargaloka, for that Vedic karma, for that Jaya and Putra. This is how the Sambandha was there. Means not only olden days, in Upanishad itself it is given. प्रजायाः मानुष वित्तांतर भावम अभ्युपेत्य द्वितीयो अथ शब्दः। प्रजायाः मानुष वित्तांतर भावम, प्रजा comes under manusha vittam. Manusha vittam means the human wealth. Means my son is my wealth, is my property, and I will use him, I will count him as something that belongs to me, something which is going to unquestionably follow what I tell. Like wealth doesn't question what I should do, where I should, whatever I just say, it will be used. Like that son should be. Then it is Manushavitta. If it has his own, I tell something, he does something. That is not wealth. It is a liability. प्रजायाः मानुषवित्तान्तर्भावम् अभ्युपेत्य द्वितीयो अथ शब्दः. Here in Tika, second line on that page, 24. Sashabdam vyakurvan. First word is Sashabdam. Samasa vigraha for Sashabda will be Sa iti shabdaha, Sashabdaha. Like now Atha Shabda has come. Like that Sashabda. Sa iti shabdaha, Sashabdaha. This is Karmadharaya Samasa. Dvitiyo Atha Shabda. Now next Atha Shabda is for Putra. देन तृतीय अथ शब्द, अथ वित्तम में स्यात् कर्म साधनम गवादि लक्षणम अथाहम अभ्युदय निश्रेयस साधनम कर्म कुर्वीय. Then he says, Atha vittam me syat. Now may I have wealth because I have to feed this patni, putra, and also I have to do karma. So priests will come, I will need yajna samagri, I have to give dakshina, danam, bhandaras I will have to do. So atha vittam me syat. What is that vittam? Karma sadhanam. Gavadi lakshanam. I will have cow, etc. Atha aham abhyudaya nishreyasa sadhanam karma kurviya. Then I will do karma for abhyudaya nishreyasa sadhya. For abhyudaya nishreyasa sadhya, karma will be abhyudaya nishreyasa sadhanam. That I shall do. Tika. Tritiyastu means tritiya atha shabda. Stu वित्तस्य कर्मानुष्ठान हेतुत्व विवक्षया इति विभागः. तृतीय अथ शब्द इज फॉर कर्मानुष्ठान हेतुत्व. दैट फॉर द सेक ऑफ कर्मानुष्ठान आई नीड वित्त. वित्त इज नॉट फॉर प्लेजर. वित्त इज फॉर कर्मानुष्ठान. मीन्स धनम is for dharma. If you do dharma, you will get more dhana. Actually, the vakya is like this. Dhanat dharmo tata sukham. In Mahabharata it comes, I think. Dhanat dharma tato sukham. Dhana will give dharma, dharma will give sukham. So dhana is for karmanushthanam. So if you take four purusharthas, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Artha is for dharma. Artha is for kama. Kama should be based on dharma. Then when I fulfill all these for some time, then I will get vairagya. Because everything will be anitya. No matter what I want, it will be taken away or it will perish or something will happen. I will have some roga. So all bhogas will have limitation. Then only we will get vairagya. You love sweets, let us say. You eat after some time. Doctors say either you eat sweets or you eat medicines. If you eat sweets, things will be over quickly. If you eat medicines and no sweet, you will live longer. Like that, you will have vairagya from everything. Karmanusthana phalam aha. Yena aham andrni bhutva devadinam lokan prapnuyam tat karma kurviya. Yena aham andrni bhutva. That by which means by performance of these karmas, I will become andrni. Andrni bhutva kurviya is vidhiling. Uttama purusha ekvachanam. Kurviya comes. Andrni bhutva devadinam lokan prapnuyam. By becoming free from the rina, I will attain devadi loka. Devadinam lokan prapnuyam. Tat karma kurviya. That karma I shall do. Tat kim nitya naimittika karmanam eva anushtanam netyaha. That is not nitya naimittika karma. That is kamya karma. Kamyani cha putra vitta swargadi sadhanani एतावान वै काम, दिस इज काम. पुत्र वित्त स्वर्गादि साधनानि. So putra vitta and swargadi are sadhya. Putra vitta swargadi are sadhya. For that sadhanani are kamya karma. Kamya karma is the sadhana. Putra vitta swarga will become sadhya. Etavan vai kama. This is all people desire. Either some putra, vitta. Putra means following. Anyone who unquestionably will do whatever I tell. This is what people want actually. And praja is such that they will always do whatever they want. They will never listen to what you want. So it's a great way to get vairag. When I say praja, doesn't mean only praja. Huh? Shishyas are also ditto. They are also like that. You tell something, they will do something. So very means there are good shishyas also like that. Good putras are also there. They will do everything. एतावान वै काम. एतावत् विषय परिच्छिन्न इत्यर्थः. एतावत् विषय परिच्छिन्न. So these are the vishaya by which that kama is parichinna. Putra, vitta, swargadi. They are the kama vishaya. टीका क्रियापदम अनुक्रष्टुम च शब्दः काम्यानि च. So kurviya will go with that. So he will do nitya naimittika, he will do kamya karma, which are abhyudaya nishreyasa sadhana. काम शब्दस्य यथाश्रुतम अर्थम गृहीत्वा एतावान इत्यादि वाक्यस्य अभिप्रायम आह. काम शब्दस्य यथाश्रुतम अर्थम. यथाश्रुतम मीन्स पुत्र वित्त स्वर्ग. For that, whatever is the sadhana, yathashrutam artham grihitva, etavan vai kama. This is all that is there in kamana. Ityadi vakyasya abhipraya. So putra vitta swargadi sadhanani, they are kamya padartha. When it is said etavan eva kama, means these are the kamya padartha. People have kamana for these things. Putra vitta swarga. To get swarga, first he should have jaya. So it starts from there. This is काम शब्द से यथाश्रुतम अर्थम गृहीत्वा. एतावान इत्यादि वाक्य. नेक्स्ट वाक्य इन दी मंत्र इज एतावान वै काम. अभिप्राय में साधन लक्षण. सो इन भाष्य एतावान एव ही कामयितव्यो विषयो यद उत जाया पुत्र वित्त कर्माणि साधन लक्षण एषणा. जाया पुत्र वित्त कर्माणि साधन लक्षण एषणा. Jaya putra vitta, for that whatever karma you do. Jaya cha putrascha vittancha iti jaya putra vittani. Napunsaklinga. Tesham karmani means tesham naimittika karmani. Tan nimittaka, whatever karmas that are performed, sadhana lakshana eshana. So those karmas are the eshana, which is sadhana lakshana. That is the sadhana. Lokascha त्रयो मनुष्यलोकः पितृलोकः देवलोकः इति फलभूताः. So these lokas are the phalam. Karmas are sadhana. So Jaya is a sadhana. Putra, for Putra first you do karma. Then Putra will become sadhana for Manushya Loka. Karma will become sadhana for Pitraloka. Upasana will become sadhana for Devaloka in this way. Phalabhutaha sadhanaishana याश्च अस्याः साधनैषणायाः च अस्याः. So Manushya-loka, Pitruloka, Devaloka, they are phalabhutaha. And for that you have sadhana eshana. Sadhana eshanaya cha asyaha. So for asyaha phalabhuta, for this phala, you have sadhana eshana. So sadhana will be only this, putra vitta karma or jaya putra vitta. Tad nimittaka karma. And sadhya will be only these, Manushya, Pitruloka, Devaloka. So when it is said, sadhana eshanayaha cha asyaha, sadhana eshanayaha cha asyaha phalabhutaha. Sadhana eshanas are for these phala in sadhya alone. See in tika. Asyaha sadhaneshanayaha phalabhutaha iti sambandha. अस्याः साधनैषणायाः फलभूताः. अस्याः साधनैषणायाः फलभूताः के लोकाः मनुष्य पितृ देवलोक. द्वयोरेषणात्वम् उक्त्वा लोकैषणां परिशीनष्टि. So both are different kinds of eshanas. One are sadhya eshana, another is sadhana eshana. Sadhya eshana and sadhana eshana. Lokaishanam parishinashti. Now, what is lokeshana? He explains that. तदर्था ही जाया पुत्र वित्त कर्म लक्षणा साधनेषणा. जाया पुत्र वित्त लक्षणा इज साधनेषणा. तस्मात् सा एव एका एषणा या लोकैषणा सा एका एव सती एषणा साधनापेक्षा इति द्विधा अतो अवधारयिष्यति उभे ही एते एषणे एव भवतः. दिस विल बी सेड लेटर. Avadharishyati in later in 4.4.22 we have already seen in Anubhuti Prakasha. So there it will be discussed. So we know there are three eshanas. So here see Putra eshana is given separately, Vitteshana and Lokeshana, right? So Jaya is not separately mentioned because Jaya is sadhana for Putra. Then you have to get Vitta, Manusham Vittam, Daivam Vittam. Through that you will get Loka. So these are the eshanas. Putra Vitta Lokeshana. In them there is sadhana eshana, Jaya Putra Vitta Karma Lakshana sadhana eshana. And Tasmad सा एव एक ऐषणा. So all sadhana is one eshana. All sadhya, three lokas are there. Manushya, Pitra, Swarga or Devaloka. All of that you put as one. One sadhya lakshana, one sadhana lakshana. So tasmat sa eva eka eshana ya lokaishana sa eka eva sati eshana sadhana apeksha iti. Only one eshana. Dvidha ato avadharayishyati. So there are only two, one sadhana, one sadhya eshana. टीका. कथं तर्हि साधन एषणा उक्तिः इति आशंक्यः सा एका इति. साधन एषणा इज वन. एतेन वाक्यशेषो अपि अनुगुणी भवति इति अतः अतः अवधारयिष्यति. वाक्यशेष later also it will be said. So sadhana apeksha is one, sadhana eshana. Sadhana apeksha eshana. And another is sadhya apeksha eshana. Hmm? साधनापेक्षा थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी. साध्यत्वादेव साधनबद्धत्वेन तद अतिरेकेण अयोगात्. साधनापेक्षा मीन्स साधनस्य अपेक्षा. In this way you understand. Further in टीका. साधनवत् फलमपि काममात्रं चेत् कथं तर्हि श्रुत्या साधनमात्रम् अभिधाय एतावान् अवध्रियते. तत्राह साधनवत् फलमपि काममात्रं चेत्. Sadhanavat phalam. If that is also only kamana, kama matram. Any phalam is kamya vishaya, kama matram chet. Katham tarhi shrutya sadhana matram abhidhaya etavan eva. Etavan avadhriyate. Avadharanam means eva. So why did Shruti say etavan? Sadhana matram abhidhaya. Sadhanas are putra, vitta, jaya, putra, vitta and karma. In this way, so it is said this alone is the etavan vaikama. Etavan vaikama, why did they say? Because kama actually is kamyanteti kamaha vishayaha. So that is lokaha. I don't want putra for the sake of putra. I don't want jaya for the sake of jaya. I want them for the sake of pitruloka, devaloka, etc. So then why Shruti said, seeing sadhanam and said etavan vaikama. तत्राह फलार्थत्वात् सर्वारंभस्य लोकैषणा अर्थप्राप्त उक्ता एव इति एतावान् वा एतावान् एव काम इति अवध्रियते. फला, इसी ब्यूटीफुल सेंटेंस इज फलार्थत्वात् सर्वारंभस्य. ऑल आरंभ मीन्स ऑल कर्म. All karmas are for phalam. You start something not for the sake of doing it. You want some result. Phalarambasya sarvarambasya phalarthatvat lokaishana artha prapta ukta eva. Manushya loka, deva pitruloka, devaloka. They are indirectly said by saying jaya putra vitta karma. By saying these things, lokas are already said. And that is what your etavan vai kama is. Did you understand what he said? If you didn't understand, you see the next sentence, it becomes clear. Ukte sadhane sadhyam arthikam iti atra drashtantam aha. Sadhana is given. What are the sadhanas? Putra vitta karma. They are the sadhana. What is the sadhya? Loka. But lokas are not mentioned. He says, sadhane ukte, sadhyam arthikam uktam. When sadhana is said, indirectly sadhya is also said. In that, what is the drishtanta? Bhojane abhihite truptir nahi pruthak abhideya. Bhojane abhihite. When bhojanam is taken up, when it is mentioned, I ate. So if somebody will ask, Tripti happened or not? So it need not be separately mentioned. Means until your stomach is full, you eat. Tripti hi na prathak abhideya. Separately, it need not be mentioned. So sadhana is given, sadhya is need not be separately mentioned. Tadarthatvad bhojanasya. Tadarthatvad. What is that?
Tripti.
Bhojana is only for tripti. Tadarthatvad. टीका साधनोक्तौ साध्यस्य अर्थात् उक्तेः एतावान् इति द्वयोः अनुवादे अपि कथम एषणार्थे काम शब्दस्तत्र प्रयुज्यते नहि तौ पर्यायौ न च तद् अवाच्यत्वे तयोरनर्थता इति आशंक्य पर्यायत्वम् एषण काम शब्दयोर उपेत्य आह. Sadhan uktau, when sadhan is mentioned, sadhyasya arthad uktehe, sadhya is arthad uktam. Etavan iti dvayoho anuvade api. So, both are mentioned, etavan vai by that, anuvade api. Katham eshanarthe kama shabdaha. Now it is said, why for eshana you use the word kama? Eshanarthe katham kama shabdas tatra prayujyate. Why not? He says, nahi tau paryayav. They are not paryayavachi shabda. Tau means kama eshanau. Tau na paryayav. Na cha tad avachyatve tayor anarthata iti ashankya. And tad avachyatve, when it is not given, avachyatve tayoho anarthata na 14 and 15 number tippani काम शब्द अवाच्यत्वे अनर्थ रूपता दुखात्मकता इति. If काम शब्द is not given, that does not mean there is anartha rupata. Iti ashankya. So what is meant is, in the mantra, etavan vai kamaha is given. So what is asked is, why did you use the word kama? Etavan vai kama. These are all eshanas you are saying. So in Tika, what is said is, न च तयोः न च तद अवाच्यत्वे तयोः अनर्थता. So काम शब्द, if it is not said, then tayoho, kama eshanayoho, anarthata means anarthakyam is not. Let us read further. इति आशंक्य पर्यायत्वम् एषणा काम शब्दयोः उपेत्य आह. एषणा and काम शब्द, they have पर्यायत्वम्. So what is said is, earlier we saw the quotation Kamesha Krodesha Rajoguna Samudbhava. So when the question was asked, Atha Kena Prayuktoyam Papam Charati Purushaha. So it was said Kama. So here, even though Kama Shabda is there, this is not Anarthata by itself. Because people do follow it to go to Swarga and all, and it is prescribed by Vedas. In Bhashya, te ete एषणे साध्य साधन लक्षणे कामो येन प्रयुक्तो अविद्वान अवश्य एव कोशकारवद आत्मानं वेष्टयति. ते एते एषणे साध्य साधन लक्षणे. These two are साध्य साधन लक्षणे. एषणे येन. So they are, these two eshana, they are kama. Yena prayuktaha avidwan, an ignorant person, helplessly avasha eva kosha karavat atmanam veshtayati. Koshakara. Kosham karoti iti koshakaraha. Ghatam karoti iti ghatakaraha. Kumbham karoti iti kumbhakaraha. And Gangam dharati iti
गंगाधर.
Gangadhara or Dhara. So samasa will not be like that. When it is karaha, then you have to use kumbham karoti iti kumbhakaraha. That is okay. When it is karaha or dharaha, then you will have to say dharati iti dharaha or karoti iti karaha separately first. Then shashti you have to use Gangayaha dharaha iti Gangadharaha, in this way. Like, what is that sabda in Bhagavatam for the arrow maker? In something comes. Anyway. So there karoti iti karaha you will have to do separately. Then whatever is the upapada for that, with that you will have to use shashti. Avasha eva koshakaravat atmanam veshtayati. This avidwan, prompted by the kama, wraps himself in the kosha. Where karma marge, tika. Veshtanam eva spashtayati karma marga iti. What is the Veshtanam? What is that by which he gets wrapped around? Karma. Karma margi eva atmanam pranidadhat bahirmukhi bhuto na swam lokam pratijanati. And then atmanam pranidadhat, 6th number tippani, pravartayan. Anatma pravanaha. Bahirmukhi bhuto means anatma pravanaha. Na swam lokam, atmanam na pratijanati. He does not know himself. तथा च तैत्तिरीयके अग्निमुग्धो हैव धूमतान्तः स्वं लोकं न प्रतिजानाति इति. He is अग्निमुग्धः. Agnimugdha means he is deluded by all these karmas. But remember, when a person is mugdha by Vedic karma, he is definitely um, deluded by Laukik karma also. You can use the like Bhaskara or Bhaskara is good shabda. Bhaskara is karoti iti karaha. Bhasah karoti iti Bhaskara in this. That drishtanta you can use. Agnimugdho haiva dhumatantaha, lost in the dhuma, not seeing the end, swam lokam na pratijanati. Tika explains that. Swam lokam means atmana. Agnimugdho, agnireva, homadi dwarena mama shreya sadhanam, na atmajnanam iti abhimanavan. We saw this shloka in Naishkarma Siddhi, where Acharya said, in the Yajnashala, because of lot of smoke, these people, their buddhi is also deluded by it. Right?
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swamiji.
इति हृष्टधियां वाचः स्वप्रज्ञाध्मातचेतसां घुष्यन्ते यज्ञशालासु धूमानद्धधियां किल. In the Yajnashala, because of the dhuma, their buddhi is also clouded. They are not able to see and understand the teaching. Exactly the same thing is given here. Agni mugdho, Agni eva homadi dwarena mama shreya sadhanam. He says, Agni alone is my moksha sadhanam through homa. Na atma jnanam. Atma jnanam is of no use. Iti abhimanavan. Dhumatanto dhumena glanim apannaha. Through dhuma, he gets glani. Dhumata va mamante dehavasane bhavati. Dhumata means dhumatva. Mamante dehavasane bhavati. At the end, my sharira will become dhuma and the Agni will lead me. Agni rashmayaha ehi ehi ahutayo vadanti. Iti manyamanah te dhumam abhisambhavanti iti shrutehe. So in this, the Panchagni Vidya Uddharana is given. 6 to 16 is Panchagni Vidya. Dhumam abhisambhavanti iti shrutehe. Swam lokam atmanam. Swam lokam is atmanam. Vakyantaram utthapya vyachaste. Now next vakya. Katham punaha etavatvam avadharyate. Why did you say etavan vaikama? Avadharyate. Kamanam anantatvat. Anantata hi kama. Iti etadashankya hetumaha. Kamas are, means kamya vishayas are infinite. Why you said only this much? Ananta hi kamaha iti etadashankya hetumaha. Tika. Tasmad etavatvam avadharyate tesham iti sheshaha. Tasmad we have to add after. Yasmad नेच्छंश्चन इच्छनपि अतो अस्मात् फल साधन लक्षणात् भूयो अधिकतरम न विंदेत न लभेत. Even if he desires, then this he is not going to have anything greater as the kamana padartha. Therefore, tasmad etavatvam iti avadharyate iti shesha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।